皆さんこんにちは。スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。サムズアップですね。いつも今ですね、友達のジョーダンさんのところに向かってます。近くに住んでるんで、ジョーダンのところに先日覚えてるかな、積載車で族車、街道レーサーのクレスタを、積載に乗せたんじゃないですか。積載に乗せた後、その行き先はゴーダンの車はジョーダンのところに今置いてあります。ははは。親父ギャグジョークかな。ちょっと俺のところにちょっと何日間の間に置けなくなったので、ジョーダンのところにゴーダンの車を送ったんだけど、ゴーダンは運転できないんだよね、自分の車。まずマニュアル車は乗れない。右ハンドル車は運転したことない。マニュアル車でねに乗ったことないので、教えてあげないとね、かわいそうだよね。せっかくアメリカに持ってきた車なのに自分で運転できないで、その車に詳しくないんだけど、友達の中で一番わかる人がスティーブにまた相談が来たんだよね。で、あとね、エンジンの問題があるって言ってたんだよね。というのは、先日乗った時に運転中に3000か3500回転ぐらいからちょっと引っかかったりしていた。なんかパフォーマンス的な問題がある。燃料的な問題なのか、また電気関係のことなのかは分かんないんだけど、ゴーダンも車に全く詳しくないので、知り合いの LA モバイルメカニックさん、先日サニトラの件で大変お世話になったカルロスさんと息子のガエルに、声かけてます。待ち合わせして一緒にジョーダンのところの、ジョーダンの家はすんげえよ。1年前にハコスカで行ったことがあるんだけど、めっちゃくちゃ大きいすんげえうちなんで、楽しみにしてね、今向かってます。 What's up, Carlos? How are you? Nice. Hey, Gael. How are you guys? Good. So we're gonna go inside here, go to my friend Jordan's house. Let's check out this Cresta. Cool. ジョーダンの家はもうどこにも一番この中では一番大きいと言われているのかな。あそこの白いゲートのあるところです。あれはジョーダンの家。ほら見えてきた。この前来た、ことあることを覚えてる方いるんですかね。ほらジョーダンの車だ。ほら見てー、いたー。到着です。すんげえ家でしょ。ジョーダンがいた。Hey Jordan. Hey, who's that masked man?
Hey, it's Jordan.
It's Jordan. What's up?
Not much. How are you doing?
Good, man. Can I park over here?
Anywhere you like.
Is there enough space?
There should be. I mean, your car's pretty big.
So nice to see you guys again. It's been a while. Thank you for your help with the Sunny truck. And we may have some more work to do with the Sunny truck after this. But first, I wanted you to come because my friend Gordon doesn't know anything about cars. Okay, he bought this car, but he knows nothing about him. That's not a good thing with a car from the 80s and the 90s. But lucky for him, he knows me. And lucky for him even more, I know you. So you came here to beautiful... Is this a nice place or what?
Beautiful.
Great place to work on a car, I think, right here. We have a problem. About 3,500 RPM, this car hesitates a little bit. It starts nice, it drives nice, it idles nice, but under load at 3,000 something RPMs, I feel a hesitation. We have to figure out that problem.
Let's start working on it.
Let's get on it. Okay. ちょっと車を移動しましょう。ここ暑いんで作業するにはかわいそうだし、カーロスたちがこの近所迷惑ならないところなんだよね。広いから。Carlos, nice sound, huh?
Beautiful.
It's straight pipe. いいなぁ。すんげえ音。それはジョーダンのコールベットだよね。それは。じゃあボンネット開けましょう。How old are you now, Gael?
14.
14, man. You're getting big. You're bigger than you were last time. Damn, you're gonna be tall. Are you taller than your dad already?
Same height.
All right, so what do we got here? We got a 1G, I think this is a 2-liter engine. Guess we'll find out, huh? Your dad'll know. It'll say up here somewhere. 1988 cc's. Do you know how many 2000 cc's would be what? Come on, man, you're a smart kid. 2 liters. 1,000 cc's is 1 liter. 1998 is just 1.998 liters, so 2-liter engine. Right on. Hey, this car's got some special options on it too. I don't know if you know about.
It has any like a fuel, vacuum leak.
Okay.
You know, that makes car do that.
Of course.
And then I gotta check the point of the distributor.
Yep.
To see, how's the condition is.
Got it.
And then
We'll go from there.
Start from here.
All right, but you know what I did notice, Carlos? I did notice this engine looks like it looked newer wires, maybe a newer cap. It looks like they maintained it.
It looks good, yeah.
I did notice it smokes. Did you see it smoke on startup?
yes.
So definitely dripping a little oil in the thing. Probably could use some heavier oil now that it's in California too.
I need to see about the engine specs because it might need to valve adjustments.
There you go.
Right,
Right, that could be a
so-
possibility too.
So that was another step I have to do.
All right, man. Just don't touch those air horns, okay?
No problem.
Carlos, let me take you for a little ride, and you'll get an idea what's going on, okay? Let's go. Not so bad so far, Jordan.
Hey, that's good.
This is the part you might have been talking about.
This is the part. Good luck.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Okay, not too bad. No. Okay. Hey.
Now, Jordan, what happens now? Do I get up your driveway?
I hope so. The back tire's off the ground.
The mailman's never seen that before, has he?
Wait, hit the gas.
Okay,
Oh my goodness. Yeah, the back tire is literally off the ground. There you go.
inside your distributor cap. They were a little carbonized. You also said the car's got a lot of carbon buildup on the plugs, so we got to work some of those issues out.
All right, cool, man.
Be right back.
All right, man.
Oh, pre-warning, we're going to scrape all over his driveway.
Hey! And there's Gordon.
Hello. That car is so loud.
I know.
It's just completely just straight through.
It is. It's ridiculous. Did you hear that thing from? Okay, here goes an angle. Let's go from this side. Yep. There you go.
Hey, there's Jordan back there. What's up, Jordan?
Hey.
Jordan and Gordon. We talked about you on the way over. Jordan and Gordon.
Yes, sir.
Gordon, Jordan. There it is. Hey, Carlos and Gael. Hey, so, okay, we took a test drive, and Gordon, basically the situation is this, man. We got a little bit better by advancing the timing, but there's some fuel or possible fuel air mixture related problems. And for Carlos to really get a good assessment, he has a shop down in North Hollywood. So I think what he's recommending is that we take this car, we get it down to a shop in North Hollywood, have him follow up on it there, maybe a day or two it comes out, it's driving fine. And
Let's do it.
then can I teach you how to drive your own car?
I'm ready when the car's ready. So.
Awesome, man.
Yep.
Carlos and Gael, this is LA Mobile Mechanic. Check them out on Instagram. They're awesome guys, good people. If they can't do it locally by you, you can trust them to take it to a shop and get it done, get the job done for you. Good people. Thumbs up.
Thank you.
Alrighty, guys. We'll see you again next time.